pet parents. If your dog is puking white frothy liquid, then even that means your dog has eaten something which is not good for their stomach. It can be some plants which are growing in and around the home, like aloe vera, money plant, jade, lily, chrysanthemum, and snake plant. Keep these plants out of reach from your dog. So apart from plants, the second reason can be buildup of excessive gases inside the dog's tummy, and they mix with the saliva and come out as white foamy liquid. And when you should be worried, if your dog puked once, it is common, it is fine. If your dog is puking more than twice, immediately rush to a veterinary hospital nearby. Subscribe to our channel for more content.